I loved how Dawn and Dave were able to easily zip tie our pre-arranged garland to their arch structure. Now I'm gonna show you the newest trend, the Grounded Floral Arch. I especially love this floral install because it can literally be created anywhere without the additional cost of an arch or a frame. So let's get started. When you start your Grounded Floral Arch, you'd want to use garland to outline the shape of your installation. So here we have 3 garlands and they're kind of layered on top of one another to give it some height and movement. And next, you would start by taking your largest centerpieces and putting them in the back. So
are you sure you need my help, my muscles, my manly muscles? Let me help.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let me help. I want to.
It's actually so much fun. So let's do it together.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's get our largest centerpieces. Don't be dramatic, Jason. Okay, and let's put them right in the center. And splitting the center and putting one on each side and making sure they look nice and cozy together. And then we'll get one more on each side. So here is a total of 4 of our Grand Centerpieces. And as you can see, it just adds really nice height and movement to the very back of the space. From there, we'll add some smaller centerpieces to kind of trail them downward to the front. So you get a few of these, tuck these in nicely. So we have 3 of the smaller centerpieces trailing all the way down. And then from here, you'll want to get another strand of garland. Okay. This garland is meant to really just hide the vases and the mechanics from the back. So you just tuck this behind. And the key here is when you get it in place, you want to make sure the garlands kind of kiss at the front. Yeah, nice and smooshy. Great, that looks good. Okay, once you can kind of take a step back, look at everything and see if there's any negative spaces. Do you have any?
There's no negative spaces on this side.
Perfect. Okay, so then you can get some fillers. Here are our posies, and these are great just to kind of tuck in any spots you might see like a hole or a little area you want to cover. So like tuck here. Okay, I think this looks beautiful. And voila, look how easy that was. We're all done. So if you love the Grounded Floral Arch and want to learn more, you can visit somethingborrowedblooms.com or scan the QR code on your screen.